Making noises with words. Mastering onomatopoeia in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of English. Onomatopoeia. This fun word describes a powerful technique that makes our language vibrant, lively, and expressive. We're going to learn about it, see examples, and then use it in a creative way. Buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of sounds. Onomatopoeia is a linguistic term that describes words that imitate the natural sounds they represent. These are words like buzz, crash, sizzle, moo, and pop. They're not just descriptive, they bring our language to life and engage our senses beyond the visual. Let's look at some common examples of onomatopoeic words. Animal sounds: meow, woof, quack, buzz. Sounds in nature: rustle, splash, crackle. Human-made noises: beep, vroom, clang, tick-tock. Each of these words not only tells us something is happening, but gives us an auditory image of the event. Now that we have a grasp on what onomatopoeia is and some examples, it's time to put it to use. One of the best ways to learn and remember new language techniques is to use them creatively. So, let's try writing a short story or poem with onomatopoeia. Here's an example of a short story. One sunny day, I heard the buzz of bees near the flowers. Suddenly, I heard a sizzle and turned to see Dad at the grill. I plopped onto the chair and listened to the pop of the soda can opening. In this story, the onomatopoeic words help us immerse ourselves in the scene. Now, it's your turn. Try writing a short story or a poem using at least 5 onomatopoeic words. Think about different contexts and scenarios where sounds play a vital role and convey these through your words. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. The main goal is to practice and have fun. That brings us to the end of our journey through the soundscape of English onomatopoeia. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what onomatopoeia is and how you can use it to make your English more lively and expressive. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. So, keep writing, keep creating, and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning!